The Video Gen tool from Envato just got even better. Now you have the option to add sound effects to your videos. Let's see what you get. First, you need an Envato Elements subscription to use this tool. Click the link in the description or scan the code on the screen to get one. These are affiliate links, and if you click them, you support my channel so I can make more tutorials like this one for free. After you go to Envato Elements, click AI Gen at the top left menu, then click Video Gen. I showed that in the past, but let's assume this is your first time using it. Unlike other AI Gen tools from Envato, you get a limited number of videos to generate each month. You can't save the video credits from month to month, but the count resets at the start of each new month. Last month, I had only 15 videos to generate, and now I see that I got 30. I'm not sure if they changed it because it's not mentioned in any docs that you get more than 10 videos. You might see something different on your account. Anyway, it's limited. The video generates a few seconds of a clip based on what you write in the prompt box. You can see that on the main page of the Video Gen. You can also choose the aspect ratio, horizontal or vertical, depending on your needs. And now there's a new option to add sound to the video. It's just a button you click inside the Video Gen. If you want your prompt to be more detailed, you can use the magic pen to enhance it for you. You have two options. One is to use image to video, and the other is to use sound gen. You can't use both to create the video. Starting with the image option, after you write the prompt, you can click the plus button to upload an image, or you can click the button to create an image with AI. If the sound effect is on, you won't see this button, and you won't be able to click the plus button. After clicking to generate the image, it will take some time, and then you'll get 3 images as options for the first frame of the video, based on the text in your prompt. If it's not what you had in mind, just change the prompt and try again. Even if you want to add sound later, it's a good idea to generate the first frame without sound first, just to check if the AI understands what you're trying to create. This step doesn't use any video credits, but it will use credits once you start generating the video. After you see that the AI gets the vibe of your video, click Set as First Frame, or download the image to use it later. You can click the arrow button at the bottom right to start generating the video, or you can click Select as First Frame, which will take you back to the prompt page. Now you can click Generate Video, or if you were just testing the image, you can click the Add Sound button. It will hide the image you picked as the first frame. If you remove the sound button, you'll see the image you chose again. Based on what you want to do, you can now start generating the video. Click Start Generating, and it will take about 2 minutes. Just note that if you choose the sound effect option, the final video will not include the first image you created with the AI. Let's see the video it generated for me with the sound. After you have the video, you'll see 3 options under it. You can see the prompt you used. The first button takes you to the history of the videos you generated in the past. The pen button takes you back to the main Video Gen tool with the prompt you wrote, and if you used an image, you'll see that too. Or you can click the download button. Note that you can download the video anytime by going to the History tab, so don't worry if you leave this page. When you're in the History tab, you can see that on each video, you have 3 options: to delete the video from the history, to copy the prompt so you can use it again, or to download the video directly from the history. Now, a few questions I got since I made the first video about Video Gen by Envato Elements. The first one is how you can use it and what rights you have. You can use the video as part of a bigger video by adding more to it. You can't sell the video on stock video websites or use it as is without editing or adding to it. Also, you need to have an active Envato Elements subscription when you upload the final video. You can't use videos you generated while you had a subscription and upload them after your subscription ends. Another question someone asked in the comments is if the characters are consistent, and the answer is no. Envato Elements doesn't have consistent characters, but you can generate images based on the same character and then use them as the first frame of the video, so it will look consistent that way. The videos are very short, just a few seconds. So if you're planning to create a long video with it, you'll use up your monthly credits from Envato pretty fast. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ask ChatGPT.